Hello everyone, this is Bisnetplus. Guys, I could want to show you something today. Today is also another awesome day for everyone in the VIP. Alright, so you can see this is the VIP. So this is the premium and VIP, the same thing anyway. This is I dropped a signal on Crush 1000 index for a buy. Okay, so um which is awesome. This is the move. So it came in profit. You can see. Alright. So later I dropped another signal for boom 1000 index for itself, which time frame is H4, and you can see at exactly 11:41 a.m. So we had a spike against us here. Alright. So the spike is against us here, but it doesn't take us out. So later the trade recovered. I'll show you. And for crash 500 we bought. It's as if we're trading against the spike. For crash 1000 we bought, and for boom 1000 we sell. And so all of them we are trading against the spike. That's cool. And I have a message here which says all signal, all of them won. Right. So for the boom 1000 index, which go against us, which was later recovered without hitting the SL. So you see, this is it, and it's cool. And see, for crash 500 index, you see that's why I'm refreshing them. All right. When you click on this, you see it take you back. So for the crash 500, this is a screenshot of the crash 500, and see. So instead of me using a lot size of 555 or 222 or something like that, so I just have to use 30 lot size in one place, which was over 800, which was over $800. So with this move, right, and we are on M1 time frame here, just to show those people who are trading clearly how the movement is. So on M1. And for the crash, which we later have this, it went, it go up in a very mighty pace for crash 1000 index, and you can see there is an arrow I drew and a circular on M5 time frame just to see that the time it spent going in profit is very massive. And guys, you see, and I'll use this medium to tell you guys that Bisnetplus ain't fake. Alright, so if you wanna make cool money, good money with Bisnetplus, just chat me at Bisnetplus. See, you can check the description. You see, to join the Telegram channel, check the description. So we're making money. This is on 6th, and let's check that for the 5th. Alright, for the 5th we bought boom 500 index, and which is this, right? That's the 5th. And also for boom 1000 we sold 2, so it's massive. Alright, so okay, let me go up a bit. You see, so we just keep winning and winning. Alright, so everything is just winning. The lot sizes are based on the account. Alright, so money management is very important anytime you're trading. And now let me show you one more thing before I go for the free group. All right, so we have over 1000 people here already, and today being the 6th, let me start here. You see, for boom 1000 index, which is selling, this is just same thing as the screenshot you see in the premium. So from there I share it here. You see, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Now let me show you this thing. This is very cool. Alright, you see, beautiful. All this is just today, and the day is still young, right? I'm not gonna trade again today. I'm just gonna run away with this. So guys, if you need mentorship, message me at Bisnetplus. I'm gonna show you this. And recently, that was yesterday or 2 days ago, I gave a promo price. Someone ought to pay $120, which the guy missed. I told him to pay me $15. Alright, and he missed. He couldn't make it. So that's gone just for my little daughter's birthday promo for everyone. So that one is gone. So guys, you can see this result is massive for the crash 1000. You see, for the boom, you see, and for the crash 500, see, is 30. Before I closed it was over 800. But here we have, as at when I did the screenshot, we have $779 for this. So guys, for mentorship, you can message me. For signals, you can message me. And for I'm gonna give another opportunity for someone that can hear me or someone that's watching this video, that I'm gonna give you another massive discount. Yeah, just message me that you watch this video, and I'm gonna give you a massive discount for either the customized indicator for the mentorship or signals. I'm gonna give you that. So guys, that's it for today. I'm done trading today. Done today. So guys, stay cool, stay blessed, and have a wonderful day.